Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. We have Subaru here. Subaru Outback. So beautiful. We have a check engine light on. Okay, just let me check it out now. Yeah. We have a check engine light. No, leave it like that. We have a check engine light on here, and we need to check and see what's going on. And the brake light is flashing. Service engine light also is on. Slippery. So let's read it. I'm using my small scanner here. It's not bad. North America Legacy Outback 1998 May
2013.
Yeah, from 98 to May 14 May. I don't know what that means, but let's go to the next. It's 2014 98. Okay, I'm gonna go to diagnose.
2013.
Yeah, it's okay. You're already there. So now I'm gonna go to diagnose. I'm gonna go to auto scan. I want to scan the whole car to see what's going on, what's wrong in the system. This car have remote start also, aftermarket remote, dealer remote start, they install it. So we have a lot of code here. Parking brake system also we have 3 code. Intelligent unit also we have codes. This car have a lot of codes. Okay, so now I have all this report. Engine control system, how many you have? Transmission also you have 1 code, brother. You have a lot of code in this car.
Yeah, then you take the picture, the code, you tell me.
I'm gonna open now one by one.
Yeah, you tell me what code it is, then if you can buy it, I can buy it.
Okay. You don't do nothing on this now.
No.
Till if it's come back again, you see.
But I want you to take the
transmission, you have a code in transmission.
Okay.
I gotta tell you everything. I'm doing everything here now. Okay. You have transmission code.
You take that picture?
Yeah, tumble generator valve TG system valve.
Okay.
Tumble generator valve TVG system valve 2. You have 2005, 2006. You say tumble generator. I don't know what is that, but transmission have a problem too.
Okay, that one.
So I'm gonna go back with this.
But you take a picture, right?
I take everything, brother.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna go back. I see what you have in the transmission, because you have a lot of codes.
Okay.
Okay, trouble code in the transmission, because there is a transmission request. Lockup duty solenoid circuit is low. Lockup transmission, you have a lockup duty solenoid circuit is low.
Okay.
I don't know, this is history or just now. Do you have any problem when you drive?
No. Only this light blinking. I don't
Yeah,
know.
okay, so now we're gonna go one by one. I'm gonna go back again. ABS also you have 3 problem in ABS. ABS you have 3 problem. I'm gonna VDC, okay. Trouble code. Okay. Transmission control module fault, improper current communication, ECM communication circuit, all the history, but they have transmission code. They see transmission problem too. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Now I have a parking brake. Also you have a problem in parking brake. Let me see now what I have in the parking brake. VDC also. Trouble code. Same problem. I'm gonna go back again. Maybe I'm not in the parking brake. No, I need parking brake. Maybe I get something else. Yes. Trouble code. Yes. ECM fault, transmission fault, improper CAN communication. Also, those are looking at other stuff. It's nothing wrong with it inside. I'm gonna escape, airbag. What happened to your airbag light is on? No.
No, nothing on.
Trouble code. This is past fault. Communication, bus off. You know, like something happened, like somebody disconnect something and put it up, create all this trouble. I cannot say this is a problem, but if it keep repeating themselves, we can say, okay, this is a problem. Okay, now 8-volt integrated unit module. Integrated unit module. What is it? What does it does? Okay. Trouble code. All it talk about can. Communication line, like something happened. And also immobilize the key collision. Negative. This is only one. Also is history. Anything in history, we don't count it.
Okay.
But transmission, air condition, you believe it? Air condition also you have codes. Let me see what you have in the air condition.
That's
all history. Like somebody disconnect something, or a computer or something was just get there and get this, and then the last code is CAN system communication. So I'm gonna get this one here. CAN system communication. That means the communication line have an issue, but I'm not gonna. Okay, all high speed CAN off. High speed CAN ECM data not received. You know, like there is some module short out or something happened that everything was shut down on the car. Like just in a village, there is a rain or just like we have a storm and then all telephone line is down.
Okay.
Something happened that one post fell down and then short out. That's it. We're not gonna consider it. We're gonna leave it.
Okay.
But the transmission have an issue. Transmission have an issue.
Okay. That one you take the code for that. You take a picture for code.
I'm gonna take that one now. So. Okay, now I'm gonna go back. Gonna go back now. Turn the key off. Engine off. Engine on. I'm gonna say erase.
You get the transmission code?
Yeah, I have everything. I have my YouTube channel. You can go there. Watch.
Yeah, I see you on the YouTube.
No, you're gonna watch your car there. That's it. You're gonna see your conversation. Yeah. So you're gonna go there, stop it, you know, pause, freeze, go in. You read everything for you 100 times.
I know read English.
It doesn't require.
But
the code are there.
But the code, you send me the text message for the.
You will get it. You will get it. Don't worry.
Yeah, you send me the code. I'm gonna go to the. If you don't know the code, I'm gonna go to the transmission guy. You know Abdullah, and then give him the code.
Right now we gotta delete everything.
Okay.
And then if they come back, then we compare it with whatever is there.
Okay.
Right now you see there is no code at all. I'm gonna try to turn the key off. You see now there is nothing.
Okay.
Everything is gone. So if they come back, we're gonna compare it with what we have. And then from there you can take a decision of what needs to be done. Now everything is clean. There is no code at all.
Okay.
But don't worry. Don't forget. Engine computer still have codes.
Engine computer.
Engine computer still have codes. Engine computer still he sees something. Everything clear out. Still he say nothing now. But in the system he say 4. You see engine reading code. He said no. He was reading. Sorry. He was after he reset it. They go back and read.
Okay.
But there is not this before. So everything will look okay. You're gonna keep this one 8-minute video for this car. Whenever you get a time, it's Subaru, North America Legacy, Outback, the same. So the engine are almost the same. So you're gonna go with this one, and if the check engine light come on, we're gonna review it. All this code that we have in the memory, if they repeat themselves, then from there you take action.
Okay.
Now you can't do nothing.
You cannot do nothing. But the transmission, that's for
it's
sure.
Still like delete everything, but I have the codes. When they come, we're gonna review those codes with what we have.
Okay. But you're gonna compare it.
Compare it, and it's there, yeah.